Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your region on the google.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on the settings button that you can find down below in the right side corner of the screen, and tap on this search settings at the top. Go to this left side column and tap on the first option, then scroll down to the bottom of the page, and here you can find the region settings. If you want to display more, then tap on this display more button, and here you can find a bunch of other options. All you have to do is search for the relevant one and tap on it, and then click on the save button down below. And as you can see, it has been updated down below. You can see it on the left side corner. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.